What we were discussing last class? Multi-threading, right? Have we completed that assignment? Yeah, tell me. What you have written code? Main method. Inside main method, I'm writing system.out.println. For int I equal to 0, I less than, okay, let me write from I equal to 1, I less than or equals to 20, I plus plus, and double quotes, main colon plus I. And now I want another custom thread. Now I need to write, can I write class like this? Class my thread 2. Already my thread completed one class. So I'm writing my thread 2 extends thread. Okay. Inside this, we write run method. I need to override run method. Okay. Now run method prototype is public stat, public void run. It's a plain method, simple method. No return type, no throws keyword, no parameter. It's a plain method. Then from the custom thread, whatever logic you want to execute, that logic we must place inside run method. For int I equal to 1. Yeah, second task 20, right? I less than or sorry, I greater than or equals to what do you write now here? 1. I plus plus. Sorry, I minus minus. And here we write system dot out dot println. What do you write now? Double quotes run colon plus I. Is it clear? Tell me, is this run method executed automatically? No. This run method will not execute automatically. Only main method is executed. Values 1 to 20 displayed. Okay. Now, if you want run method involved, you have to call two ways. Directly, first you have to create object of my thread. My thread 2 empty equal to new my thread 2. Just by creating object of my thread class, run method executed? No. Then I have to call empty.run. Directly I can call run method. If you call run method directly, now the flow of execution, concurrent flow, no, sequential flow. No. Sequential flow. Concurrent flow will not come. Right? Next, custom thread created or not created? Custom thread. Custom thread created or not created? Not created. Okay? Custom thread also not created. So, okay, let me show you output. We'll get run. We'll get output run. We'll get output run 20 to 1, then main 1 to 20. So it's a sequential flow. There is no custom thread. Tell me now. If you want to create custom thread, you must call what method? Start method. What start method will do? One second, buddy. Some students facing problem. Now tell me when you call start method. Now here what happened? Custom thread is created. Into custom thread, empty one pointing object run method is loaded. Run method is loaded and logic is executed. Okay, let me try. How the logic executed? Bolo, bolo, bolo. How the logic executed? Sequentially or concurrently? Concurrently. What the meaning of concurrent? Any of you understand what the meaning of concurrent? Concurrent means sometimes main thread, sometimes custom thread. Again pass, sometimes main thread, sometimes custom thread. Again pass, sometimes main thread, sometimes custom thread. They are sharing each other sometimes. Okay. Excuse me. Look at the main 1 to 20, run 20 to 1. This is concurrent flow. Earlier is sequential flow. Now it is concurrent flow. Main thread execution is not fast. Main thread execution is not passed. Okay, that's why custom thread doesn't have a chance to execute. Did you remember I told you, if one task execution is not passed, other thread will not have chance to execute concurrently, right? There is a chance to execute concurrently only when it is passed. Now look at that. Now again we got sequential flow. I mean concurrent, first main, then main not passed. That's why again run. Aisha, lucky batch. Still concurrent flow you are not seeing. Array, why my system running very fast this time? What to do now? Increase number of iterations. Array. Oh my God. It's not giving chance to, this time maybe you got. Oh, this time run got a chance to execute first. Concurrent flow, run getting chance first to execute and it get the chance and then main next giving chance. I want in the middle to pass. I want to see middle pass. Now I got. Look at that. Finally we achieved. Look at that. Main 1, run 50, run main, run main, run main, run main. Okay, they are sharing each other. Okay, now look at that. Now after this, up to here they are sharing. Now the main thread got angry. Then it is not giving chance for run method to execute. Okay, and again giving chance to run. Now again main taking it back. So executed, executed, executed. Okay, now again, now main is giving chance for run to execute, run executed. Is it clear now? This is a concurrent flow of execution sharing the process. Like this. Channel, this is multi-thread. This is the main thread. This is main thread, and this is custom thread, and this is process, and this milk is what? For loop. Okay, na? Hope you understand now multi-threading fully correctly. Huh? Right. All you people got confidence on multi-thread programming? Multi-thread programming means just the way we are running the program concurrently. Logic is same. Okay, whatever the logic you want to execute, write that logic inside custom thread run method. Whatever logic you want to execute main thread, write inside main method. That's it. Okay, tell me what is the main target of, again repeating question, what is the main target in multi-thread program? Writing logic, overriding run method. What is the main target of? What is the main target of multi-thread programming? Overriding run method is the main target. Okay, run method is available in two places. It is available in thread class, also available in runnable interface. Okay, we have one predefined interface called runnable. In a runnable interface also we have a run method. We can override run method from runnable interface also. So tell me how many ways we can create custom thread? Custom thread means what? Subclass. How many ways we can create custom thread? Custom thread means three things. Number one, subclass. Number two, thread class object. Number three, calling start method to start thread of execution. All three together we can say custom thread. How many ways we can create custom thread? In two ways. Number one, create a class deriving from thread class, override run method, create subclass object, call start method. Then we have another way also to create custom thread. What is the another way? Let's try to see now. Okay, my runnable. Okay, create a class deriving from runnable interface. When you implementing runnable interface, overriding run method mandatory na? Overriding run method is mandatory, right? Then now run. Okay, run method. Now here in run method, what happened? Tell me now. I wanted to just write one SOPL, double quotes, run executed, to know whether run executed or not. And you cannot execute class without main method. Now I am defining main method here. Public static void main of string array args, open bracket, closure bracket. Inside main method, I am writing one message, system dot out dot println. What do you write here? Double quotes, main executed. So we will get only message, main executed message. Then tell me, I want to execute run method. Further, what you need to write? My runnable, mr equal to new my runnable. Okay, then I want to execute run method. You call mr dot run. You call mr dot run. Tell me, when you call mr dot run, what happened? Custom thread created or not created? Everyone should answer. Custom thread created or not created? Custom thread is not created, right? Only in this main thread, run method is loaded and its logic executed. In this main thread, run method loaded and executed sequentially. Now, our mission, what is our mission? Creating custom thread, load run method in the custom thread and execute. That not happen. So then what method I should call? Start method. Tell me, can I call start method? Like on my thread, on custom thread, can I call start method? Sorry, like on my thread, my runnable, by using my runnable, can I call start method? You cannot call. Why? Because compiler searching for start method in MR class. MR class is my runnable class. Okay, na? And it is not available here. Then searching in super class. Who is the super class of my runnable? Everyone should reply. Who is the super class of my runnable? Super class, not implementing interface. Interface is not super class. Super class, I'm asking super class. Who is the super class of my runnable? Object class. In object class, start method is not available. Okay, Siva Santosh, thread where you have written class my runnable extends thread. Super class of my runnable is object. And what is the super interface? Implementing interface runnable. In runnable also not available. So finally compiler throwing error. So tell me, if you cannot call start method, custom thread created or not created? Not created. Okay, custom thread is not created. Then if you want to create custom thread, what should I do? I must call start method. Then I am calling start method. Tell me where start method is available. Start method is available in thread class, na? So you must create thread th equal to new thread of. You want to call thread class method means you have to create thread class object thread th equal new thread of, and then what you write here, th dot start you have to write. Everybody following a th dot start you have to write. Then tell me, if you call start method, custom thread created, but inside this custom thread run method loaded from which class? From my runnable class or start method current object class? Run method loaded and executed from current class or a current object class? Start method current object class is thread. Run method loaded from which class? Start method current object class. Who is the start method current object class? Thread. Now tell me, start method is loaded and executed from which class? Thread class. Is our run method executed? No. Now run method executed from which class? Thread class. In thread class, run method doesn't have any SOPLN, so that we cannot see whether run method executed or not, but it is executed from there. Hope you all understand. What is our target? Our target is execute run method from thread class or from our class? From our class. What is our class? Our class is just object type class or runnable type class? It is just object type class or runnable type class? Our class is runnable type class. Runnable type class. Now the question is, listen carefully. Start method anyways calling run method of start method anyways calling run method of thread class, na? Start method anyways calling run method of thread class. Inside thread class run method, if there is any facility to call our class run method, problem solved. Come on, everyone try to answer. Start method implicitly calling run method of thread class. If I can ask, if I request thread class, from your run method, please call me run method of my class also. For example, you don't have bike, your friend has a bike. Every day your friend is going to college by bike, and you are going to college by bus. One day your college bus okay come early or you get late, you unable to catch your college bus. Okay, you unable to catch your college bus. Then tell me, you don't have bike, can you request your friend please give me lift? Your friend body is going by the going by one bike, you also go take your body on that bike along with your friend body, your body also going, na? Same story, same story. Start method calling run method of thread class, we will request the thread class please call my run method also. Whose run method? My runnable class run method. Pass my runnable object as an argument to thread class, chain my runnable object to the thread class. Then thread class run method implicitly called run method of passed runnable type class. It calls run method of passed runnable class run method. Then finally our run method also executed. All you people got clarity? Huh? Now all you people tell me, how many run methods are executed in this program? How many run methods are executed in this program? 2 run methods. Whose run method called by JVM? Whose run method is called by JVM? Whose run method is called by JVM? JVM calls thread class run method. Then who calls our class run method? Thread class run method. Okay. JVM calls a thread class run method. Thread class run method calls our class run method. Got clarity? Yeah? Right. Shall we check that point? Are you interested to check that point? The internal linkage? Now tell me, when I call thread class constructor, which constructor called? Runnable parameter constructor called. How can I see the source code? F3. Press F3, will come here. Runnable parameter constructor I called. Okay, if you create object by using no param constructor, and now what the target value going? Null. Look at there, constructor called this of null. Now what is the target value coming? Null. Null means it will not execute any run method from other classes. If you pass, okay, here MR is what type? My runnable type. So now F3, then what is passing? Target MR. Okay, now then now in this constructor we have this of, look at the logic, look at there. There is a statement target equal to target. Where is that? Yeah, still need to go down. Look at that. This dot target equal to target. Our MR object is stored in thread class target variable. Okay, na? Then search for run method. Search for run method. Look at that. Inside run method, what is the statement is there? SOPLN statement is there? No. Inside run method, what statement is there? Target not equal to null, target dot run. Okay, tell me, if I create object by using my runnable no param constructor, if I create object by using my thread no param constructor, tell me, now this constructor implicitly will create no param class object, no param constructor object. Then target variable value how much? Null. Then run method execute any logic? No. Next, if we create object by using no runnable parameter constructor, target value null or not null? Not null. Because it's not null, then the target object dot run. Target place which object is coming? My runnable object. My runnable dot run method call, and then control is coming to our run method. Our run method logic is also executed. Samajh mein aaya? All you people understand clearly? Now tell me, how my thread class run method executed? My question is, how my thread class run method executed? Because of calling or because of overriding? Run method executed from our class because of overriding or because of calling? Because of just overriding. Start method calls implicitly thread class run method with my thread object. Again repeating, start method calls thread class run method with my thread object. My thread is subclass of thread class. It verifies run method is overridden in our class, executed from my thread class. How many run methods executed? Only one run method is executed. Now, if you come to my runnable approach, in my runnable thread class run method, start method calls thread class run method. Our class run method is executed because of just overriding or because of calling also? Because of overriding and calling. Are you catching my point? Right. If it is not called, it is not executed by JVM. So that is the point you need to understand. Hope everybody got clarity. Yeah? Now tell me, if you don't understand whatever the explanation I given, just you try to understand with Amirpet word automatically. When you create a class implementing from runnable interface, and if you implement run method and calls, you cannot call start method on our object. If you want to execute run method on our object, you must create thread class object by passing our class object as an argument, and you should call start method by using the thread object. Then run method execute from our class automatically. How? Automatically it is executed. So if you don't understand the coding point of view, at least you understand from automatically. If interviewer ask a question, what do you answer? Interviewer ask a question. When you pass our MR object to thread class, how run method executing from our class? What is your answer? Automatically. Interviewer look at your face and smile. Hey, you got the job. When joining date? Automatically you join. Sir, what is my salary? Automatically it will come to your bank account. Useless fellow. Automatically and automatic. What you have to give the explanation to interviewer? How run method executing from my runnable object? When we pass our class object as an argument to thread class, our object is stored in thread class instance. And when start method is called implicitly, our thread class, implicitly start method called run method of thread class. Thread class run method implicitly calling run method of our past object class. That entire code has done, that entire framework has created background in the thread class by Sun Microsystem. That entire implementation words you have to use should not say automatically. Okay, should not say I don't know sir, my sir not told. This funny words should not give to the interviewer. Hope everybody got clarity how the execution flow of run method from our class. Any questions, any doubts, any concerns? You want to ask any question, you can ask. Madhav, excellent, Madhav, excellent. That's what the realization I want from the people. I don't know when other people will get the same realization. In multi-threading chapter, in these two programs, complete object-oriented programming concepts are covered. Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, pass by value, overriding principle, runtime polymorphism, loose coupling, upcasting, okay, everything covered. People who practiced, they can realize each point. Okay, no problem. Now, I want you rewrite this assignment. I want you rewrite this assignment. Redevelop above assignment for executing two tasks by using runnable approach. By using runnable approach. Come on, write. I'm giving 2 minutes time. Can you hear me now? Okay, now I need to tell you everything again. Actually, since yesterday, there was a big issue running in my flat with a neighbor, okay? Not with neighbor, actually. He created a problem. Now I am facing some meetings with the management, flat management, apartment management. Okay, so yeah, I have to go and check, is it all good or not? I don't know. At 10:15, I had I have meeting with the flat management, apartment management. So I'm troubling you. So actually, I thought of, since yesterday we don't have any problems, but people are ready to create problems to others now. Even I guaranteed everything. Also, they are creating problem because of ego feeling and all. Okay, I'll tell you everything once I return. What happened, everything, how to handle the situation. I'll tell you. Okay. So can you complete this assignment and will you practice other things for today? So your batch and 11 o'clock batch, I am troubling so much. I'm very sorry. Literally, I'm telling I'm very sorry. I'm feeling so sad. Feeling so sad. And it's never happened with other batches in my 16 years of career. Again, first time I'm troubling your batches. So please bear with me 1 or 2 days. Maximum today problem will be solved. And hope there is no problem. And complete this assignment today and try to practice other things. Okay. So I hope there will not be problems from tomorrow, definitely. I'm also feeling so sad, because everyday delaying it will be affect your interview also, na. That's what I'm also feeling so sad. But nobody is there to support me here. I have to go to my works only. Okay, na. Yeah, Teja, correct. And next Sundays onwards, probably from this Sunday only, I will take classes. Actually, I plan to complete our batch by June 27th, right? But 1 week additional I'm taking. By July 4th, I will complete our batch. Teja, that's why I'm telling I'm very sorry for disturbing your career too. So currently nothing is there in my hand. Sometimes we'll get problems, right? Yeah, collections, everything I'll cover, Nana. Okay, no, everything I'll teach. I don't miss anything. Is it clear? So actually from this Monday onwards, I thought of there will not be any problems. But again, one new problem came. So hope there will not, everything I settled by last Sunday, everything I settled and everything good. But due to some other person, due to some other outside person, now I am facing the problem. Okay. So now I need to go and work on it, rectify it. I have a big meeting now. I don't know what is the outcome from that meeting. So it will be closed with software or we need to fight. I don't know. Okay, na? So we'll meet you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, same. Shiv Santosh. All my flat problems I solve with a humble request, humble reaction. But some other person reaction creates problem to me. He shouted at management taking revenge on me because he cannot do anything him. So now he is addressing me in some other things. Okay. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see tomorrow, buddy. So we need to check what will happen. Thank you. We have meeting at 10:15. I need to go. It will take almost 15 minutes for me to travel. Thank you. See you tomorrow. So tomorrow at 9 o'clock. See, can I take class from tomorrow at 9 o'clock? All your classes problem solved. 9 a.m. to 10. I can take 2 hours. Still any of you are having problem? Tomorrow onwards, I'll start the class by 9 a.m. Okay. Okay, thank you. So tomorrow we'll start class by 9 a.m. Okay.